Welcome back, guys, to my channel Best Way Speaker. So we are now working on our tutorials video of the YouTube marketing. So in previous video we show you about how to create and set up your YouTube channel very well with the settings and the channel art logo. So today I'm gonna show you how to create a thumbnail YouTube video thumbnail. So sometimes most of the people are worried about their video thumbnail because of sometimes you have poor graphics design work. So I'm gonna show you the free YouTube creation, YouTube thumbnail creation in this video. Most of the application or software for the graphic designs are the costly and were not able to pay for their monthly fees, people, most of the people. So today I'm going to show you the free how to create the banner art, logo, or the YouTube video thumbnail. So just go on the canva.com. The canva.com is one of the best website to create a YouTube thumbnail or any related your designs, graphics. You can see there are many designs are there. Print with Canva, poster, business card. You can even create the postcard, invitation card, flyer. And see Facebook cover, Facebook story, Facebook post, WhatsApp story. Many things related to your social media, documents, personal, like card, photo collage, photo book, calendar, graphic organization. Also related with you, education, yearbook, class schedule. Also report card, bookmarks, sitting chart. It is also related with your marketing like brochure, poster, logo. Many things are available. Certificate also you can create. Also related with your events, ads. You can see many types of the types are available. We are creating the YouTube thumbnail. So click on the YouTube thumbnail. Today it will load on in this blank document. Blank page is there. So you can see there are many uh, music YouTube thumbnail, food YouTube thumbnail. Such are categories are given. Tutorial YouTube thumbnail. Just click on it. Some are the paid themes, so you have to pay the fees for it to remove the watermark. So we'll select free version. These are the free. You can see these are the free. So if you are the paid lover, you can choose this one, which is great. Top 10 animals. See, you have this fonts are given here. You can select any font from this option. Click on this ABC. So these are the font. You can even change the size small to large. Also give the underline as well. So this is the best way to create the design. You can change the background as well. But I click here. This is awesome. After that, you can even upload the elements from here. Then click on upload and upload which you want. Then you have an elements as well. You just need to click on here and search which you want. which shape you want. If you are a YouTuber, you can put this symbol here. So after that, after creating this thumbnail, you just click on the download and save it. So this is all about the how to create the YouTube attractive thumbnail in the free. Thanks for watching this video. We will see you in the next video of the YouTube on-page SEO, which is our next very important part related with your YouTube marketing. So see you in the next video. So please subscribe this channel for the new more videos related with YouTube marketing and other tech related subject. See you later. Thank you.